Hi guys, welcome to Saudi foodie vlog. Today we are making avakaya Andhra style recipe. Raw mango 1 kg. It's available in Lulu and Nesto. 1 kg 19 SR. Wash the mangoes. Dry the mangoes well. Cut the mangoes like this with seed. Remove the seeds. Peel the skin like this. Mustard seeds 50 grams. Fenugreek 15 grams. Make fine powder. Keep aside. Cutted mangoes. Garlic 150 grams. Peeled garlic. Salt 1 cup. Mustard and fenugreek powder. Red chilli 2 cups. Gingerly oil 2 cups. Mix everything. Transfer to a glass jar. After 3 days, now it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.